So it's a little late for breakfast, so we're gonna make brunch. But first, I gotta make my favorite breakfast drink. Oh, there's the alcohol. We're gonna put the alcohol in separate. We're not gonna use the bottle. So yeah. That. Of course, we gotta add the orange juice. Okay, so all finished with my drink. Nice and refreshing, and a great way to start your morning. We're gonna start our breakfast, well, our brunch. So recently, I came across this TikTok video that went viral, and she made breakfast sandwiches. It was real easy to make, and I wanted to try to make it. So I thought that, well, I've made it once before with sausage, and I really liked how it came out. So I figured that I would make it again with bacon and let you guys join me on the journey. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so we got the butter in the pan. We browned the bacon. Got my drink. 1 second, Stink. I'll get you some apple juice. I'm gonna mix up my eggs with my bacon. The bacon's gonna go in last. I'm gonna mix up my eggs and get them in a pan. That's first. And then we'll come back with the following steps. Okay, we got our eggs in the pan. I'm gonna use 1 piece of cheese because I like cheese, but not that much. And then there's our bread. And what you do is, you take this, and you do it on both sides. Make sure you do both sides. You take the other one, do it on this side, do it on that side. And you let it cook. You let that cook until it starts to form like it is now. Get all white, and it starts to form into like an omelet type of thing. After you flip it, you take all your edges and you flip it up. Kind of forgot this one. Oh well. And like I said, I don't like cheese, so I put one on reverse side, so hopefully we can get it to stick. And then you take your bacon and you put it across whatever design you're gonna make. Acting like I'm scared to touch it. Okay, that looks good. You flip it. Right? Look at that. You continue to let that cook. I don't want that to stick to my pot. No. That looks good already. Let that cook for a little bit. I'll be back. Okay, people. This is what we have. You can add your syrup to on the outside, put it inside. It's definitely up to you, but that looks good. Open it up. See you guys later.